Entrepreneurship is not just about the mindset and the skill set. It's a way of operating. If you want to move really fast, you can't control everything. You've got to be able to work in this dynamic, distributed way.
So I'd like you to think about IP as a means to an end, not an end in itself.
From the inside out, we're taking a very narrow view of our marketplace. What we have to do is look from the outside in.
People fall in love with products. They trust them, they develop strong loyalties to them, they buy them, and they believe they're superior.
But valuation is really much more of an art than it is a science.
You notice right now we create a tweet and it doesn't actually belong to the user who created it. We've created anonymous Twitter so far.
There is a lot more data being collected every single day because people are now interacting in almost a purely digital space.
You can go to the market, you can offer a product, and it doesn't necessarily have to be the best in the world. You just have to show people that this is where you're going.
You're looking for the overlap between what you love, what you're good at, what you can be paid for, and what the world needs.